In this video, we are going to see how a flash fill command works in an Excel. What is this flash fill? Flash fill gives you the ability to take part of the data entered in a column of a worksheet table, type part of it into the next column over and fill a series. Excel detects patterns in your initial data entry. The application then figures out the data you want to copy and even offers a few choices to match exactly what you want to fill. Fill a series without a formula. Instead of a manual entering your data or copying and pasting, Excel do this work of its own. To have a better understanding of this function, let's see it with the help of example. In this case, you can see the names on the left hand side. Now suppose if there are thousands of names like this. Now you want to separate the first name and the last name into two separate columns. Now imagine doing it manually. It will take a lot of time. So you can do this very quickly with the help of a flash fill command. How it works? Let's see. For this, first of all, I'll have to type the initial name into the first name column. In this context, it's Hitesh. Similarly, I have to type the surname in the surname column. In this context, it is Takhtani. Now, I'm going to click on the next entry where I want the next first name should come. After this, what you just have to do is, from the keyboard, hold the Control key and press E. You can see that all the first name have been come in this column. Similarly, I'm going to click on the surname column and again hold Control key and press E. You can see that the surname has been put up in the third column. Now let's understand this with another example. Suppose I want only the initials to come. In this context, the first initial is H, surname initial is T. Now I want the similar thing to happen with all the alternate entries. Again I'll hold Control Option from the keyboard and press E. I'll go on the third column, hold Control Option and press E. You can see all the initials have been filled into the columns of first name initial and surname initials. Now let's understand with the third example. Now suppose you have a data in which there are some missing links in between. As you can see clearly over here that after Hitesh there's a gap. Now let's try doing it what we have been doing. Write first name Hitesh in the first column, write Takhtani in the surname column. Now I'm going to try using the same option of Control plus E from the keyboard in this context. Now as I press, we see that there comes a window which says that to use that the data in the next selection and didn't see a pattern for filling in the values for you. So you need to create a pattern. So how do we solve this problem? In this case, you will have to go back to the fourth column where the name Apurv Budhia is written. You have to rewrite Apurv as the first name, go on the surname and write Budhia. In this way, you are letting Excel understand that there's going to be a pattern after this. Now again, click on Control from the keyboard and press E. You can see that now this time all the names have come. Similarly, do it for the surname. You can see all the surnames have been filled in the boxes.